back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Do like.
Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. If you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel, and if you have already been following for a little while, then welcome back to my channel. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a review of a particular online site which do give the watches, and trust me, there was a huge discount, and also there was an offer for buy one and get one. The quality of the watches review I will give you in the entire video, so if you really wanted to know, you can watch through the end of the video. And at the same time, I don't know if you are being very active, and I'm very sure you guys are active in the social networking site, whether it be Facebook or Instagram. So every time we see watches, every now small and here and there retailers, but again Joker and Witch, I've been following their websites for like 1.5 years, and I never purchased it. So this is the first time. This is not a PR video, so this is at all not a promotional video, but I kind of ordered it. I wanted to order for my mom since there was a Mother's Day and I could not visit her, so I thought, let me purchase, keep it with myself, and whenever I'll go home I will gift her. So let's quickly unbox the video, and please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do comment if you really liked, if you the video was really helpful to you, and if not, then anything I need to work on it, do comment me in the description box, or any video if you want to watch or you want me to review, then please do mention that also in the description box. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. So since it's a quarantine going on, the outer cover packaging, I kind of discarded it. It was a normal cardboard packaging, but one good thing was there was a bubble wrap in the box, which is again good. So shipment and everything was very securely done. The customer service number is also available, I think, in the Facebook page. I will leave the link of the Facebook page in the description box, but just in case if you wanted to return or anything on that, if you want a customer help, they are very ready to help. They work from morning 10 to 7. So customer cares are active from 10 to 7. You can easily contact them, and they are really helpful. That was really good gesture whenever I call them. So let's just quickly unbox it. So the box, after unboxing the outer packaging, the box which I received is somewhere like this. This is the beautiful watch, where it is written Joker and Witch, and they have the website at the bottom, which is www.jokerwitch.com. So this is a luxurious bag, bag, not the box, and I really love it. And the watches which I received looks like this. This is supremely beautiful. Now let me review it one by one. So I have stored this bubble wrap. So they were completely bubble wrapped like this, and I really love the packaging which they gave. So the watch which I ordered for my mom was this rose gold. So this was in the offer, buy one get one free, but there is a little disclaimer. While selecting the two watches, please make sure that both are from Joker and Witch, which I did not ensure. So I will let you know in the further video. So this is what exactly the watch is. Okay. Let me put a background. Let me put it this way. So this is what the watch is. Again, a very beautiful watch, and the tag is also Joker and Witch, which I really love. It looks supremely classy, and at the same time, the one good thing is there is nothing called this is completely magnetic, which I really love. Complete magnet watch, so easily it will get attached, and whenever you watch it, it looks supremely classy when you actually wear it. Coming to the quality of the chain and all, trust me, I somewhere feel the quality of the chain is not that top notch. By the way, it retail for like 3000 change, but the quality of the product which I received in 3000 change was not to the mark, trust me. Because if I show you the belt, it is already in the verge of getting rusted. I don't know why, but I did not like the quality at all. So it somewhere looks like cheap quality. I don't know why. I am not sure if you have ever purchased from Joker and Witch, uh, you know, or you might came across, but this is not the quality of the rose gold. So you can see the rose gold watch is like this, and the quality of this is completely rusted. So I really do not like, but again, coming to the dial and all, it is a top notch, but 3000 watch, this quality I did not expect it. I have Titan watches. I've made a video about my favorite watches, and I love, in this range I will get better brands, frankly, and the money which one is paying, you'll get a good quality as well. So I did not really like it. Let me wear it and show you. If I kind of wear it, so this is how it actually looks. I don't know, the quality of the belt, if you can see, is completely it's not that good, trust me. It's not that good. And let me show you the second watch. They are saying buy one and get one free. So I first of all, this free concept I never understood. Whenever I, when I was in college and all, whenever I discovered this free concept, they always give the worst product than ever expected. But okay, I thought to give it a try since it's a branded one. So the next watch is this. So this is a good quality watch, if you can see, but can you see, this is of no brand. There is no name of brand. There is absolute nothing written on the brand. I mean, this is not even the branded one. Apart from that, quality and everything is okayish. I don't know, I did not use it, so I cannot say. At the back, there is no ISI mark, nothing. Dial and everything is good, but at least this belt is little better quality as compared to the one which is this. Such a bad quality I cannot expect, which has so much of name of Joker and Witch. I did not get it. Apart from that, the only thing I liked is the dial one, which I can use. Probably if I wanted to give my mom, I have to change this strip with a better one and then kind of gift her. Apart from that, this is the watch I don't think anybody is gonna use such rusty one. I really don't like it. So this was my little experience about Joker and Witch. And coming to the best thing about this Joker and Witch is, they fool you by the return policy. Now we just order by seeing the product, considering that if we don't like, we will get a return or a refund or anything exchange. Now exchange policy is available with them, but if you order a watch which first quality is like this, I don't think you can ever want to purchase anything from that website. Trust me, you will not ever think of purchasing it. But I called them, the customer care, and I told them that I just wanted a refund. I did not like the quality of the watch. They just said the return policy is that we will return you in the form of coupon code. We will not give you the money back or something like that. So they fool you by the return policy. I do understand, before we kind of order them, we need to do a research, but they have called me for this quarantine issue that, okay ma'am, do you have cash, because we won't accept the cards or something like that. So I was not having cash. I say that, see, this is quarantine, so I'm just gonna pay by Google Pay or Phone Pay or any of these apps. So they said, okay fine ma'am, that will do, but they never mentioned about the return policy. I just told them I'm trying for the first time, is the product returnable? She said yes, but she did not said that it can be in the form of coupon or something like that. So please do not order anything from Joker and Witch. The quality of the products are are supremely worst. As far as my experience, this is not the watch you would ever wanted to buy, even for like within 1000 ka range. 3000, 4000 is like way beyond for the quality they offer. Trust me, it's a very big no. And I wanted to do this video because many of you guys, I can see my friends in the Facebook, they are liking this page. They do offer few fancy accessories, and also the accessories with the help of with the watch, like kind of bracelets or something like that. They kind of copy Daniel Wellington, but trust me, they are the international brands, and you cannot, you cannot copy the quality, because you guys quality is supremely worst, the worst quality of the watches I've ever seen. And trust me, do not ever go for it. I don't know what's wrong with them. At least at the back of this watch, let me tell you one more thing. There is a logo of Joker and Witch, if you can see. But the watch which they have given, they have no logo on this watch. Absolute no logo. So I don't think this is even a branded watch. So a very big no. So that's pretty much. I do review few products whatever I buy, and there is no